Tired of dealing with dry, brittle hair that loses its color vibrancy after every wash? What if you could give your hair a deep treatment every single day without the hassle? Daily Deep Conditioner offers exactly that, a simple, effective way to restore moisture and strength to your color-treated hair with every wash. I've tried countless conditioners, but nothing matched the balance of hydration and repair like this one. From the first use, my hair felt softer and looked shinier. The formula works quickly. Just apply after shampooing, leave it in for 30 seconds, and rinse. It's designed to penetrate and seal moisture deep into the strands, rebuilding damage caused by heat, coloring, and daily wear. Plus, it's naturally derived, color-safe, cruelty-free, and 100% vegan, so you're treating your hair and the planet with care. What you get is more than just moisture. You get hair that's easier to manage, less prone to breakage, and noticeably healthier. If you want to protect your color-treated hair without slowing down your routine, this conditioner fits seamlessly into your daily wash. Worth a look if you're ready to see real change in softness and shine without compromising your values. Ready to give your hair the care it deserves? Try Daily Deep Conditioner when you're ready to restore, repair, and strengthen your strands every day. It's a straightforward step that makes a big difference, because your hair deserves daily deep treatment.